How to Glow Up in a Week challenge for 13 to 17 years old. Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty and Tips. Do you want to transform yourself in just 1 week? Dive into our exciting Glow Up guide packed with tips for nails, hair, makeup, clothing, and skincare. This video is in collab with Lavender Tips. Go and subscribe her. By following these tips on each day, you'll be well on your way to glowing up and feeling great in just a week. Day 1. Skincare and hydration. Always do a proper skincare start with cleanser. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day. Exfoliate. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells. Moisturize. Apply a lightweight moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Sunscreen. Apply sunscreen daily, even if you're indoors, and never forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Day 2. Nail care. Trim and shape. Trim your nails and file them into your desired shape. Cuticle care. Soak your nails in warm water and gently push back cuticles. Nail strengthener. Apply a nail strengthener to keep nails healthy. Nail polish. Choose a color that makes you feel confident or go for a clear polish for a natural look. Day 3. Hair care, shampoo, and condition. Use a shampoo and conditioner suitable for your hair type. Deep conditioning. Apply a deep conditioning treatment or hair mask. Trim. Split ends. If possible, get a trim to remove split ends. Styling. Experiment with different hairstyles that you can manage easily. Day 4. Makeup tips. Foundation. Use a BB cream or tinted moisturizer for a light, natural look. Concealer. Apply concealer to any blemishes or dark circles. Blush. Use a soft blush to add a natural flush to your cheeks. Mascara. Apply a coat of mascara to open up your eyes. Lip balm. Keep your lips hydrated with a tinted lip balm. Day 5. Clothing and accessories. Wardrobe refresh. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. Planning. Plan your outfits for the rest of the week to save time. Minimalist jewelry. Opt for simple earrings, necklaces, or bracelets. Hair accessories. Use hair clips, bands, or headbands to add a touch of style. Day 6. Self-care and relaxation. Relax. Take time for yourself to relax and de-stress. Read a book. Dive into a good book or listen to calming music. Pamper yourself. Take a bubble bath or do a face mask. Day 7. Confidence boost. Posture. Practice good posture to look and feel more confident. Positive affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Smile. A genuine smile can make a huge difference. By following this 7-day planner, you'll achieve a stunning glow up in just 1 week. Embrace your newfound confidence and let your inner beauty shine through. Remember, the best glow comes from feeling good about yourself inside and out. Go out there and dazzle the world.